So for these shocks here in the front, I have the hydraulics. These are the gas, and the difference being that those are constantly pushing outwards. These, you have to pull them, and the difference is it's more like a shock absorber rather than something that would put it back into its place. These are supposed to be better for off-roading. These are supposed to absorb the bumps and make it just a smoother ride. A completely different setup. So for these ones, whenever they come compressed. They have like a cord that you cut. And what you want to do for the front up here is you want to attach the bottom bolts first, get it aimed, cut the line, and this piece is going to start. It's going to start rising. It's going to start rising, and then you want to fit it. You want to just pretty much just push it. Just feed it right into that little spot. As long as you're getting into this nook, you can just move it around. You can hand compress this. It's just it's heavy. It's hard to compress it by hand. All right, so the setup is a little bit different from the back. These you have a metal washer, and my goal is to pretty much sandwich this, put that through, and put it through the top, and then sandwich the rubber with the cap on top. That way, you got a good compression.